How to enable Crossfade on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Settings application on your phone. In the Settings page, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Once you're here, search for or scroll down to find Music and tap on it. This is the Music Settings page. On this page, you can adjust settings like EQ, sound check, Dolby Atmos, and audio quality. You can also find deeper audio adjustments, like headphone accommodations and more. Here, scroll down to the audio section and turn on the crossfade switch. And then, drag the slider below to adjust the crossfade timing. Note that crossfade is unavailable while using AirPlay. Following these steps, you can easily enable crossfade on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.